is not very much different. So what I'm saying is, spirituality is part of my being. I have to grow. I have to grow. So I am doing it. I am naming it as spiritual practices. At the same time, if I say other thing, let's say when I when you when you when you go through a problem, don't you think about it? A non-spiritual person also thinks about how to solve this problem, how to solve this problem. Why did this happen? A spiritual person will also do the same thing, but in a different way, because he knows the supreme cause behind all causes is the Lord. When you have that deeper understanding of certain situation, you start you actually stop blaming others for your sufferings. That is where spirituality begins. When you stop blaming others, when you stop doing complaints for everyone, there the spirituality begins. I say that the only difference between a spiritual and a non-spiritual person is that either you are a complaint box or you are a thanks giver. So that's a very minute difference. If in the being in the non-spiritual world as well, if a person is understand the art of giving thanks, understand of the art of gratitude, he is spiritual. Spirituality is not different. He's not that only doing puja, worship, and doing mantra chanting is the only spirituality. No, spirituality is day to day in everyday life. If I am aware of who I am, if I am aware of my identity, I am spiritual. Right. So this is what my definition of spirituality is. Spirituality is not different. It's part of my essence. It's part of my being. I'm not very different.